A lot of IT jobs are trying to have people work 2 jobs, 3 positions. That's exactly yes. You're telling the truth. That's what's happening right now. There's not enough of us to do this work. So that's why you it's just crazy. That's not enough people to do it. And I think what's happening is a lot of boomers are retiring, and then a lot of millennials don't want to. They don't want to. They're just not. There's not a lot of millennials getting into this work, so it's Gen X people like myself, people in my age range, 40 year olds, who've been doing IT for a while. They're doing cybersecurity stuff, but they're scrambling to pull more people into this field because we just don't have enough people to do it. Whenever I get into a job, they're going to you're going to have 4 or 5 different clients. Like if you're a consultant, they're going to throw 4 or 5 clients on you because there's not a shortage of work. Like the B2B on it is crazy. And then what they'll do, like if you're working systems, they'll give you 4 or 5 systems. Gone are the days of you having 2 systems or 1 system that you're working on as an ISO. Nah, it's 4 or 5 systems. They're gonna pile as many on as they can, and that's stressful because every system you have, you got to do more interviews. Every system's 4 or 5 interviews a week, right? So yeah, it can get crazy.